This lesson is on comparing and ordering integers. Please take a moment to go over to the crate and get the pages labeled for Comparing and Ordering Integers MPJ. Then set your notebook up exactly like it's shown on the screen, with the left side and the right side. Pause the video while you set up your notebook. Now that your notebook is set up, we're going to start with the lesson. Comparing and ordering integers. Integers are used to describe different events. One of the things I can describe is elevation. The picture you see in the top left shows an eagle flying, a person climbing a mountain, a sailor on the water, and a scuba diver going down and diving below the water. There are specific numbers that match up with these descriptions. According to this, the scuba diver is descending 30 feet below sea level. This number is written as -30 feet. Please write all of these down as we go through them. The sailor is at sea level. Sea level is the 0 point on the number line, so sea level is considered to be 0 feet. The hiker is climbing and ascending at 20 feet above sea level. Above sea level means it is in positive numbers, so this would be plus 20 feet. And the eagle is flying even higher at 50 feet above sea level, so a positive 50 feet. Integers can also be used for science when you're describing electric charge of protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge, so they're referred to with a positive number. Electrons have a negative charge, so they're referred to with a negative symbol. Where neutrons have a neutral charge, so they're neither positive nor negative, just like our 0. Next, we have temperature. Water boiling is a positive 212 degrees Fahrenheit, where a below 0 temperature is going to be shown in negative, so -3 degrees Fahrenheit. And in Florida, during a sunny day, it would be a 75 degrees positive for Fahrenheit. We also show integers when we're dealing with sports. If a football player loses 10 yards when they're tackled, that's a loss of 10 yards and is shown as -10 yards. If Victoria loses 1 8/10 points on her floor routine in gymnastics, then that is also a negative number, -1 8/10 points. Where if she earns 8 4/10 points on a vault routine, that is now a positive number, positive 8.4. And Nova Lee earns 8 points for her basketball team. Again, that is a positive number. We also use integers when we're dealing with money and banking. When you earn money, earning money is $25 for dog sitting. That means you're getting more money, so it is a positive $25. The opposite of earning money is spending money. And when you spend money, that becomes a negative dollar amount. A company loses 4,424 hours last year. That is a very large negative number. But when they gain money, it is a positive number. My mom withdraws $400 from the ATM. A withdrawal is a negative dollar amount, where a deposit is a positive dollar amount. And I owe my best friend $10 for lunch. When you owe somebody money, it's a negative towards you, but it is a positive towards them because they are the ones receiving the money from you. And when your dad spends $45 at the grocery store, that is a negative dollar amount. So when we're comparing numbers, we need to compare both the sign as well as the size of the numbers. Smaller numbers are positioned towards the left, and larger numbers keep going towards the right on a number line. Negative numbers are always smaller than positive numbers, and the number farther to the right is always a greater number. So in writing numbers in order, we can write least to greatest. We would be looking at a number line from left to right. But if we're writing greatest to least, then we look at the number line from right to left. If we're going to order this number set, -9, 0, 6, and -3 from least to greatest, first step would be to plot the points on the number line. -9, 0, 6, and -3. And since we're going from least to greatest, we're going to start on the left side and move across to the right side. The numbers from least to greatest are -9, -3, 0, and 6. We can also say that -9 is less than 0 and 6 is greater than -3.